Hello there. In this class we are going to see what move instruction is with the help of some examples, and we are going to mention the syntax of move instruction. So first of all, let's see what move instruction is. So move instruction is the most basic instruction that you are going to be using in assembly language, and its purpose is to simply transfer data from one container to another container. Now what can it do simply? So it can transfer data between two registers. If you have one register here which is, let's say, DL, and you have a register here which is AX, if you want to transfer data between these two, you can use the move instruction. You can also use this move instruction to move data between a register and a memory location, which is a variable. So you can also use a variable and a memory location with the move instruction to transfer data between them. You can also use it to perform the immediate mode initialization. You can use, let's say, I can move data directly. Let's say this is 4. I've directly assigned this value to data register by using this move instruction. We can also use this move instruction to assign values to memory locations. Let's say I've created a variable here which is called X, and I'm initializing with 4. So these are some of the capabilities of move instruction. So the syntax of using move instruction is somehow like this. You need to write move, MOV. The left part is going to be the destination, the right part is going to be the source. It means that the move instruction will always transfer data from the right side to the left side. Let's say I have given an example here. In this case I have written move AHDL. AH, the accumulator register, DL is the data register. I want to move, in this case I want to move data from the data register to the accumulator register. So this is how a move instruction works. So let's see an example about move instruction. So I've tried to write a code here, a code snippet here. First of all, I'm trying to move A into data register. Definitely this is going to be, the transfer is going to be this way. Then I'm going to move 2 in my AH. Now what will this do? Simply, whenever I move 2 into my AH, it means that I'm going to ask my CPU to print a character from the data register that I've stored in the data register. In this case this is A. Then I've invoked the interrupt 21, which is used to tell the CPU that I have created I have performed a move instruction into my accumulator register, which you need to perform right now. Then to terminate my program, I will write these 2 lines of code. If you don't know what are these things, you can go to our playlist and see the video about variables, where I've tried to explain all of these things, all of the program structure there. So this is how you use a move instruction. Now we can go to an example. We can open up our DOSBOX to write some code and see how move instruction works. Let's say I'm going to create a file which is mov.asm, and now I've got an empty file here. I'll write the structure first. Model small dot stack 100h dot data dot code main procedure. Now I'm going to end this main procedure. Now I need to give some finishing touch, and main, yeah, it's done. So now I am in the main procedure. I need to see how move instruction works. Let's say I'm writing move DL A. So right now I'm trying to move my character, a single character A, into my data register. So this will work like this way. Let me go into okay. So after that I can do move AH2. If I want to print the character in my data register, I can write move AH into 2, and then I'll follow with a interrupt, follow with the 21h interrupt. Now I can terminate my program here by moving 4ch into my AH, and I can again invoke my interrupt 21. So by saving this, I can save it from here. Now I can go back to my console. I can give it to my MASM move.asm, and it has no errors. I can give it to my linker, link move.obj. It has no errors, or it has no problems until now. I have got an executable file right now, so I can simply call it by its name, move.exe, and it is going to print A here, as you can see. So this is how you can use move instruction in assembly language. Now there is one more instruction that I am going to be telling you about in this video, which is the MOVZX instruction. Now this is like a new instruction for you guys. MOVZX instruction is used in a certain problem. Now if you are using move instruction in in a case, let's say I'm going to give an example here. I'm writing an instruction somehow like this: move AX DL. Now you know that AX is of 16 bits and DL is of 8 bits, so there is a lack of size compatibility here. So in this case I'm not going to be using move. In this case I'm going to be using this other instruction that I'm mentioning right now, which is MOVZX instruction. So simply this is extending with some zeros. In this case, if I write MOVZX and then I'm going to mention two variable names here, which is, let's say, AX and DL. So in this case it is going to fill the empty 8 bits with 0 here. So this is why we can also use MOVZX instead of MOVX. Thank you.